as you might imagine, meat purveyor in New York's iconic meatpacking district, serving up delicious steaks to some of New York's most renowned restaurants, gets a lot of orders for center cut New York strip steaks. These steaks are cut from front to back, and in order to be center cut, they have to stop before the sirloin muscle starts to come into play. As soon as we see that muscle appear in one of the steaks, we stop cutting for center cuts. The remainder is called an end roast. Now, end roast can be used as a roast. They can be used sliced thin for steak sandwiches. At Golden Packing, we take these end roasts and dry age them so that we can use them in our burger blends. Sirloin and strip together in one firm patty, good amount of fat, but also lean at the same time. Tons of flavor, lots of character. This makes for an amazing burger. You gotta try it.